I paid just $75 for this rare Chopard pocket watch, and it's worth around $500. This is not a watch you see every day. It's a rare Chopard pocket watch with central seconds, something highly unusual for this type of movement. I found it at an auction house. It appears to be in very good condition, with a silver case, elegant hands, and it's currently running, but we'll see what's really happening inside. Let's open the package. Chopard was founded in 1860 by Louis Ulysses Chopard in Switzerland, quickly earning a reputation for precision and fine craftsmanship, even supplying European aristocracy and the Tsar of Russia. By the late 19th century, Chopard had become a symbol of Swiss haute horologery, producing its own high-precision calibers, many certified by chronometer observatories. In 1963, the brand was revived under new ownership, blending innovation with tradition. And in 1996, Chopard launched the LUC manufacture in Fleurier, dedicated to in-house movements and classical watchmaking. That heritage is what makes pieces like this so special. Let me know in the comments what you think about this purchase. Was it a good deal or not? And if you enjoyed the video, please help the channel grow by leaving a like.